Hi, hello, and welcome to all. Hi, in this video, I'm just going to talk some interesting facts about, and I'm just going to share some interesting facts about crop circle. But before entering into today's topic some more deeply, I want to share one quid to you as usual. Don't depend on anything and don't keep all your love into someone else or something or some place or some anything. Don't keep your full love in some other things in this world. It will destroy your whole life itself, and you cannot concentrate in your goal and you cannot succeed in your life. You will just stuck on that place. If you just keep your full love in your goal, then you can achieve it and you can succeed in your life. But please don't keep your whole love in some other person, place, or something else in this world. Okay, now we can enter into today's topic, crop circle. This crop circle used to occur in the most and more farm fields in just overnight. But now, still now, no one knows how it is happening all around this world. But this crop circle first started in most of the crop circles first started in United Kingdom. There only the first crop circle occurred, and more crop circles also started occurring in the United Kingdom only. But just in this few decades only, the past few decades only, we can see this crop circle in more and more foreign abroad countries. And more and more people were saying that this crop circle had occurred in overnight and no one knows about it, but some of them are saying it that aliens are doing this in overnight without any even a minor mistake. And one person saw one alien craft in the year 1966 in his field when he came to his field on one time, and that in that time he just reported that he had saw one spacecraft which had just flied away as soon as he saw it. And after that he went to his field, and after he saw that one crop circle had occurred in his field, more crops had cut off, and some of the crops were so rough and it was became one shape. There was a shape in his field, so he saw it and he was so afraid of it, and he reported to more and more people. And so because of this incident and because of that person's report, more and more people are saying it as this crop circle is happening overnight just because of these aliens. And in some books they are saying that, and they had mentioned that this crop circle was occurring from more and more centuries back. But in certain places and in certain websites they are saying that this crop circle started, the first genuine crop circle had started occurring only from the year 1970s. I don't know whether which is true, but I'm just sharing the thing which I saw in the internet. And then these crop circles, I said that these crop circles first started occurring in United Kingdoms. The first crop circle was so simple and somewhat in a circle shape. But after that, they had more and more crop circles had occurred all across this world. So that crop circles, after seeing that crop circles, scientists had decided that, and they were thinking that aliens are very good in maths and alien geometry, because all those crop circles are very accurate and it was in a geometric form and it was in a typical geometric form. And we have certain names for certain studies, and those who study about some olden things, we used to say them as archaeologists. So like that, the person who used to study about this crop circle is called as cereologists. And after seeing all these incidents, they are considering that aliens are very good in maths and aliens are very intelligent than humans, and the genuine crop circle won't have any major mistakes in it. And more and more books had started writing about this crop circle, more and more magazines, and then the websites were searching about talking about this crop circle a lot. But still now we don't get an accurate answer and the accurate person who is doing this thing in an overnight. And certain scientists and certain people who used to study about this crop circle were saying that no, it is not being it is not occurring because of aliens, it's just because of the moisture which is present in the air and the atmosphere. So because of that reason only this crop circle is occurring, like that some of them were saying. But I have one doubt that how it is happening just in an accurate manner and how it is happening in an geometric manner. And after seeing this, they are first of all I said that they are thinking these aliens are very good in maths, and also they are reporting another one thing, that is the aliens are looking at this, they are viewing our earth in a geometric manner. We are just seeing our earth as a planet, but they are viewing it as an one geometric thing. And also a myth which is being all around this world is aliens won't do any mistake, they won't let any mistake, they will be always correct in their way. But it is totally wrong. Even in this crop circle there are some minor mistakes in it, but they are just blending it, and those photographers who used to photograph those crop circles are not showing those minor mistakes which is in that crop circle. So some of them were saying that aliens used to do mistakes like humans, they don't do everything in a very accurate manner. Even this crop circle have certain minor mistakes in it, but the media was not showing it to the outer world. Like that some of the reports were saying about this crop circle, but I don't know whether it is correct, but some of them were saying it like that. Okay viewers, I think you all like this video and the information which I said in this video about this crop circle. And what do you think about this crop circle and the thing which is just occurring just an overnight, because it is about a miraculous thing and it was very accurate too. So I think it may be an alien too. So what is your opinion about this crop circle? Just let it in the comment section. Let me and other viewers know about it. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for the next video. Until then,